And though I am passed, because the school administration says that we have uploaded the proper marks, and school has filed the affidavit of the principal कि we have not failed any of the student, because the COVID policies itself says कि no student will be failed due to the pandemic. So they have to uploaded the marks properly, and they have uploaded the proper marks, or they have reduced my marks. Under what capacity they have to exhibit the my marks only in the mark sheet? They have nothing to do with the valuation and the valuation. They have to exhibit the marks in the mark sheet. School administration said that we have awarded 33 marks. So how they reduce under the garb of the policy that we under the moderation scheme, as per the policy we have awarded 32 marks. 30 at 11:22
वो आए नहीं लॉर्डशिप
अभी आगे बोल के गए हैं पर वाइड ऑर्डर डेटेड 30/11/22 this honorable court was pleased to direct the principal to produce the relevant record of the petitioner
30/11/22. Yes.
The principal was appeared on 13/2/23 and produced all the relevant documents and the calculation sheet. On 1/3/23, the document number 2590/23 was filed, which is my lord appended here along with the petition in the last my lord. In page number internal 49, the school has said that they have granted 33 marks to the. My lord, the relief is that since the petitioner was not awarded the marks as granted by the school, by the CBSE, and they have declared me fail in the science subject. The copy of the mark sheet is I have filed at page number 34 P5, my lord.
Who conducts the examination?
Examination conducted by the CBSE through the school, my lord. And since there is a COVID period, so the
school?
My lord, school is about to conduct the examination, but due to the COVID pandemic, the examination could not be held, so a moderate policy was adopted, and it was circulated to calculate the marks on the basis of 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay. And on that basis the marks should be processed to the CBSE, and by forming a committee, the committee has formed by the school, and committee has given the 33 marks to the petitioner in the biology subject.
Yes.
And that mark was sent to the CBSE for releasing the mark sheets. But it was sudden surprise and shocking enough when the mark sheet was given, petitioner was awarded 32 marks, whereby he was declared fail. So on the basis of this petition, this honorable court was pleased to direct the principal to produce the relevant record of the petitioner and one expert, that what was the criteria and what was the mode of calculation. So they have filed the entire compilation on 1/3/23. Page number 49, internal page.
So, Abhi, what is the urgency?
My lord, urgency is that since there is 21 matter and the admission is going to be, my lord, complete in the current academic year. So, petitioner is nowhere, my lord. So, if they release the mark sheet, so he could get the admission in the first year, because one has already been.
You appeared in which examination?
12th examination, that is for the 2021 session.
And now, my lord, this is
2021
session.
Yes, my lord.
And now this is
2 session has gone, my lord. Now in 3rd session he is saying that the evaluation would be done. And
what happened to 2 academic sessions?
Lord, that has not been disclosed by him, what he is doing.
You must have appeared again.
no, but my lord, since I have been declared passed by the school authorities, the school has given me the 33 marks. Kindly see page number 49.
No, we want to know that now you want admission for academic session 2023-24.
My lord,
In which year?
for first year, my lord.
First year of graduation.
My lord,
So what you did for 2 academic sessions? When did you fail? Whether you appeared in subsequent examination or
no, my lord.
you are waiting for the result of this petition?
But since he is confident that he has already been given the passing marks.
And if this petition is dismissed, what would happen to his 2 years?
Certainly, my lord, he is at loss.
Who is his father?
His father, my lord.
क्या 2 साल से क्या कर रहा है बच्चा?
2 साल से सर अभी मार्कशीट का वेट ही कर रहे हैं सर,
बार बार यहाँ
दोबारा नहीं बैठा हो?
वो सर, जब तक स्कूल से वो माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिले तो अगली जगह एडमिशन नहीं मिल सकता सर।
No, he can appear for the 12th class again.
Thereafter participating in the supplementary compartment, then you did not appear in any. He has not taken any attempt.
कंपार्टमेंट के बाद कहीं अपेयर हुआ ना.
नहीं
So as per the school,
the board-
as per the awardation of the marks by the school, they have, my lord, issued
This
a.
requires hearing at length, unless we examine that how the marks are awarded.
So my lord, kindly keep it in the next week, in Thursday.
लिखे श्री संजय जमींदार लर्नड काउंसिल फॉर द petitioner श्री अखिल गोधा for the respondents 1 and 2, श्री धर्मेंद्र कुमार शर्मा for the respondent number 3. क्या थर्सडे आपको रहेगा कि वेडनेसडे?
Wednesday.
Lord, after a week, any date, Lord?
Why? You are going somewhere?
Yes.
List on 12th July,
Did you?
Wednesday.